This is how to build a barn door the easy way. Start off with a frame. The frame is made of 2 side pieces, 3 horizontals, top, middle and bottom, and 2 diagonal pieces. The size are as you desire, whatever look you prefer, but I would recommend at least half an inch or 12 millimeters thickness. We're going to use a kreg pocket hole jig. We're basically just going to clamp it on to each piece and make between 2 and 3 holes in each end, depending on how wide your piece is. Just clamp it on and drill diagonal holes, and do the same on each end, and repeat that process for all the horizontal pieces, so top, middle and bottom. Now just line up the horizontal pieces with the side pieces and just glue and screw. Use a builder square if required, just to make sure everything's nice and square. Now kreg jig people sort of say use their screws, but you can use any screws, to be honest with you, as long as the right length and right thickness. If you need to trim the middle piece, a drop saw is always good for this, but you can do the same thing with a handsaw. Now you should end up with a figure 8 from what you might see in a calculator. So one rectangle with one piece going down the middle. Once you've done that, then you can mark out the diagonal pieces. Just line them up and just mark and cut where the frame intersects. We'll do the same pocket screw method for the diagonals, but you'll likely only need 1 screw. Now the next part's basically filling in the frame, so I'm using some pine cladding, which is usually used for like indoor stuff. You could use old fence palings or whatever, just anything that's nice and cheap. And again, I'm just doing the glue and screw method. So that should hold it all nice together. So even if your frame isn't 100% strong, the fact that you're gluing and screwing these panels onto every single frame piece will just make the whole thing a lot stronger. The glue that I'm using, it's like called Gorilla Glue, but it's just basically like a strong sort of PVA glue, wood glue, whatever you want to call it. to the last piece. Make sure everything's screwed down. Now you'll notice that I only lined up one end, and the other end I'm not trimming every single piece. I'm just using a circular saw, skill saw, and I'm just cutting it to size. And then once you've mounted it up, use the mounting hardware, you can just apply a nice stain to it. All the knots and all that kind of stuff in the door is going to like just bring it out really nice and make it look like it's got lots of character. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.